Hello friends and fellow hypebeasts, happy Monday. I hope you all had an amazing weekend, and let's get back to the grind, alright? So today we have a package from Black Tailor. They kind of specialize in making, what do you call it? Cargo pants, yeah, you know. And I kind of dig cargo pants right now, so we ordered some pairs from their Black Friday sale. We ended up getting like 30% off. I think there's 4 pairs in here. Do I even need the knife? I don't. I also don't really remember what it is that I got, but the shipping was actually fast. I ordered this on Monday night and I got it Friday during the afternoon. So you know, that's pretty good shipping times. It came DHL, so you know how it is, DHL to Canada, you have to pay import taxes, and they're kind of hefty. It was like $68 I think, and I'm pretty sure we have 4 pairs of pants in here. So it's not too bad. We have 1, 2 pair, 3, and 4. I ordered all of them in a size 30, and I'm 6'1", so take that sizing how you will. But you know, I've been getting the ads for Black Tailor all over my Instagram. Maybe you have too, I don't know. But you know, we're gonna open some up and see how the quality is, and then we'll go from there. These are the C9 cargos in black, so I think C means they're cotton. These are pretty nice. They have some little hangies on the back that I didn't realize that they had, but that's all good. Let's check the button quality. Oh, it's not even a button, it's a Velcro. Good Velcro quality though. This is always the biggest thing, because sometimes the straps at the bottom are there, but like they don't actually tighten. These ones actually do tighten, and I think they stay tight. Yeah, they do decent job at staying tight, I would say. Alright, next up we have the N1 cargo in black as well. So I think these ones are made of nylon. So I did get these in a 30, but they actually say size large on the tag, so I don't know if 30 means large or what, but these seem decently nice. I don't know. It's just another black pair of cargo pants. They cinch up pretty decently at the bottom as well. These ones don't have any additional details on them really. It's just a plain black pair of cargos. These are the C9s, right? Or no, sorry, these were the N1s, just ignore me. So we got all the black pairs out of the way. Then we got some color, because you know, Black Tailor's the only one that I found that actually sell nice colored cargos. Except for TNA from Aritzia, but we're not going to talk about that. Okay, so these ones are from C Project, it says. So I don't know if Black Tailor is just a dealer or what the deal is, but anyways, these ones have a tag that say C Project buy once again, and these ones say size extra large. So I don't really know what that's about. These ones also have a significantly different feel than the last ones, I would say. But these ones are dope. These are in like a pink-ish colorway. There's a strap here that seems to have come undone. These things are sometimes confusing for me, but I think we can do this. I think we got this. The surgery is kicking in. No, that doesn't feel right either. But anyways, straps. It has a strap. Yeah, these ones have a really cool feel to them. These are the N4 cargos. Once again, I did order them in a 30. They came as an extra large, so that's kind of interesting. And last up we have the N1s in the purple. Which are, we got the black pair of these as well. This is obviously the purple. Yeah, these all have different tags. So I think maybe Black Tailor doesn't make their own pants. Maybe they're a dealer. Because this one says independent. These are a size large. And then it just has the Black Tailor tag on it. So I don't really know. But these are pretty sick. I mean, I don't have any purple cargo pants. I feel like you probably don't have any purple cargo pants either. And now we do. I mean, the materials on all of them feel pretty decent for the price. You know, obviously I got it on Black Friday, so I got 30% off my order. Not sure if I pay full price for these. Maybe if I like needed a pair of cargos for a specific reason, I'd pay full price, but you know, we got them on a discount, so we're just gonna roll with it for now. But I'm gonna go ahead and put some outfits together with all these new pants that we have. So I'll either put it on the screen or in the description down below what I styled each pair of these pants with, so you can get a kind of a sense if you have these pants, or if you kind of want the pants but you don't know what to style them with. Maybe I can be some inspiration for you, alright? But let's go put on some pants.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold, you might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya, kid from California, trying
Alright, well, that was fun. Honestly, I like most of these pants. The only ones I don't really like are these, which were the black C9 cargos. Were not my favorite, to be honest with you. The pocket on them is just kind of weird, and yeah, I don't know, just not my favorite. I'll still wear them though, like they're still all good. They're just definitely not my favorite pair of pants. So these ones were the N4 cargos, the pink ones. These ones I really liked, but they're just short. So if you're tall like me, just keep that in mind that they're gonna be kind of short. And then we had the N1 cargos in the black and in the purple, which I'm wearing right now. And I love these ones. Honestly, these ones fit good. They're good length. You have the ability to wear it with or without a belt, because they have, like, you know, the little thingy on them. So if you don't want to wear a belt, you don't have to, but if you want to, you have that option. But overall, you know, it's a pretty good experience from Black Tailor. I don't think that they're all like their own pair of pants, you know, that they make. Like, I think some of them at least are from different brands just based off the labels on some of them, but I'm not positive. That's just what I'm thinking, which is fine, doesn't really matter. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me for today. We have a lot more Essence videos, and Black Friday and Boxing Day is coming up, so we have a lot more fashion videos and a lot more spending money coming up, so stay tuned for that. But that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
No.